I think when you get the opportunity and someone drops into your DM box and says, "Oh, listen, I've got a shoe that you'd love to have," and the price was right, I had to jump at the chance. So here we are, the Yeezy Platinum 2s, absolute classic. I think if they ever re-release them, I think the planet would explode. But I can't see Nike ever working with Kanye again, unfortunately. But listen, he left a lasting legacy, and these are honestly an unbelievable shoe. Yes, guys, how you doing? Darren here for my YouTube channel. As you can see, new setup behind me. Hope you guys enjoy it. You see a couple of classics behind me. Hopefully in this video you'll see one or two of them. As always, I always like you to like and subscribe. Don't forget that. Today's videos are going to be about weekly pickups. One of them's a second pair. Well, two of them are second pairs that I've got, and one of them, I don't know why I didn't get it last year, but I finally got it. But as always, make sure you hit that notification button as well. That's just as important. So whenever I drop a video, you guys will be notified first. We're trying to get to 1500. That's the next milestone. I think we're about 150 away. But listen, let's just keep growing together as a family. So as I said, I'm going to show you some of my weekly pickups. As I said, two of them are double. So I'll start with the first one. It's an Air Force One. Here's the box here. It says on the top of the box, "Love you forever, Air Force One." Size UK 10 Air Force One low. Show the box there. "Love you forever" box. Let's just put that down there. No blade today, unfortunately. Stay safe. The Drake Air Force One. I think I showed you guys on a short on my YouTube channel about this shoe. And listen, I'm not a big Air Force One man, but I really like the detail on these. I know they're leather, but it's got that kind of quality leather. Like, do you know what I mean? Quality, not the cheap leather that you get in normal Air Force Ones. You can tell these are like premium leather quality. Let me get the other one out. Premium leather quality. Not even opened them yet. I think I'll save these for the summertime. Really nice shoe. I'm not the biggest of Drake fans, if I'm honest. I like some of his music, but I'm not the biggest of Drake fans. But I like some of his styles when it comes to shoes, and I really like these. But these will be getting saved. Little Air Force One symbol there on the lace lock. But yeah, really nice shoe. It looks like a plain Air Force One, but I think when you style these properly with the quality of the shoe, you'll really like this shoe. So yeah, my second pair of these, in fact, the Drake Air Force One, "Love you forever." So the second shoe I picked up as well was a shoe that came out in 2022. I don't know why I didn't get it. I don't think I was sold in it just by the pictures, but once I took a chance on it and got the shoe back, the quality is unbelievable. Here's the box. Jumpman logo, of course, you know I'm a big Jordan fan. Jordan 1's on my one. The Jordan signature, as you can see there, but trophy room. So we open it up. New Sheriff in Town, as you can see there on the box. New Sheriff in Town. June 22, 1992, Monte Carlo, Monaco. Don't know why I put the funny voice on there, but I thought I would. Let's just get it out. The Jordan 7 trophy room. Really good shoe. Good quality in the shoe. Little gold number on the back there. Put the box down. Let me get the other one out for you. And I'm faffing around with paper, don't worry. But yeah, the trophy room shoe, one there. Really good shoe there. Shout out to the boys at Collect. As you can see, they've got the little tag on there. Usually I chop that off, but didn't do that today. But yeah, again, I don't know why I slept on these for so long. I love the colour as well, the red and the white. A little bit of gold. The gold Jumpman. As you can see, if I can get this little tag out of the way. They've got gold Jumpman there on the top of the shoe. The midsole's got a little bit of red, a little bit of gold, navy blue on there. I don't know why I slept on this shoe, if I'm honest, because it's a really nice shoe. The box, the detail on it, the little ribbons on the back. I think maybe when it comes to Jordan 7s, I like Jordan 7s, but they're not one of my favourites. As I said, I've jumped around in the Jordan. Jordan 1s probably have been my favourite for a long time now. Then probably 3s, then 4s maybe. But 7s never really came to the equation. I had a real big hype on the 6s at one stage, but again, for me, they're quite a lot of work to put them on, untie it and all that. It's long, so no. I like the 7s. I really like these as well. I will be wearing these relatively soon. Better get a bit of protection on there though with this kind of suede material. Got suede on the red there, and on the side there with little gold lace hoops. But yeah, again, a really nice shoe. I'm glad I finally picked it up. As I said, I think I watched someone's sneaker video on YouTube, and that's what persuaded me to pick these up. So we've got a little Michael Jordan signature there. We really like that. But yeah, as I said, the trophy room Jordan 7s. We know the trophy rooms Jordan 1s, they go for big money. I think I saw a pair the other day going for about maybe £3,500, £4,500. which is absurd, but it's a Jordan. We know the hype around Jordan 1s. But yeah, the Trophy Room Jordan 7s, I really like these. And yeah, these have been my second pickup. My first of these, but my second pickup of the week. And the third shoe I picked up is my second, but my first pair I sold them. Why, I don't know. This is an iconic shoe. It's what I was called a grail. I think I got mine back in 2012 when they first came out. This is when Kanye was rocking with Nike. We know about the Yeezy situation now with Adidas. But I'm talking about the premium stuff. I like the Yeezy, the Adidas, don't get me wrong. And I think when they first came out, the quality was better. Now it's like they just make them upon hundreds upon thousands. You can get them anywhere. But when he was rocking with Nike, they were so exclusive and so rare. Of course, we had the Red Octobers with the black pair, which have skipped my mind, and with the platinum Yeezy 2s. They were the Yeezy 2 because there was obviously the Yeezy 1s. So yeah, let me show you the box. Yeah, the box is all mashed up because obviously it's like 10 years old. The box there says Air Yeezy 2. Old school Nike sportswear box. Let's go ahead and open it. Yeah, we're talking about the platinum Yeezy 2s. Right there. What a shoe. Nice shoe. Let me get the other one out. Now, these are not dead stock. These are used, but I paid a quite hefty price for them, but I think a good price. When you talk about one of the most iconic shoes ever, on one of the most iconic rappers ever, it's always going to go well. And we know the demand for these shoes were absolutely insane. And if you look on StockX or Collect, wherever you buy your shoes from, GOAT, some of these pairs go for like £10,000, like minimum. Some of them. The Red Octobers are touching £20,000, and the black and red pair, which again skips my mind, I think they go for about 10 to 15. So these are really, really sought after. But yeah, managed to get my second pair. I've had all of them, all the Nike Yeezys. I've had all of them, but I ended up selling them a large portion of my collection for some silly reason. It's not a day that goes by and I don't regret that. But yeah, you talk about these here, these bad boys, the platinum Yeezys. I mean, if I go into the shoe, you see the gold lace locks on the gold lace tips on there, as you can see. The strap, the plastic strap going over the laces. You have to be so careful with this shoe as well, because and where you buy this shoe from, because I know a lot of people dropping a lot of fakes of this shoe. But no, I think when you get the opportunity and someone drops into your DM box and says, "Oh, listen, I've got a shoe that you'd love to have," and the price was right, I had to jump at the chance. So here we are, the Yeezy Platinum 2s, absolute classic. I think if they ever re-release them, I think the planet would explode. But I can't see Nike ever working with Kanye again, unfortunately. But listen, he left a lasting legacy, and these are honestly an unbelievable shoe. I remember also coming this little duffel bag as well, if you can remember, with little tips on the top of that as well. But no, listen, this shoe is really iconic. Little symbol there, as you can see there, Nike Sportswear written on there. But yeah, as I said, one of my favourite shoes ever, the Platinum Yeezy 2, the little dust bag there. Fantastic design, great. As I said, not dead stock, but still in unbelievable condition. So I will be rocking these, the Yeezy 2 Platinums. As always, remember to like and subscribe this video. Leave some comments underneath about what you think about the pickups. Do you think this shoe, the Platinum Yeezy, is one of the greatest shoes ever? Make sure you leave your comments under this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Let's just keep growing. But most importantly, make sure you enjoy your day. Peace.